In this post, we will go over some quick questions about what an online proofreader does, what online proofreading jobs entail, and 3 places to find online proofreading jobs for beginners to earn as much as $25 to $50 per hour. Now tell me, is it normal for you to pinpoint grammatical errors or typos without much effort while reading books, blog posts, or magazines? Are you that friend who is known to correct people when they speak or send messages? Comment below and let me know if that sounds familiar to you. Because if that sounds familiar, online proofreading jobs and you are a match made in heaven. Hi guys, I am Chavi, the owner of Mrs. Daku Studio, a blog to find various work from home jobs and various ways to make money online. We release videos every week on how to make money and live a location independent life. So if that is something you are interested in, hit the red icon below and subscribe to our channel. I'm going to go over some FAQs quickly and then we get to the platforms to find online proofreading jobs. Okay? So stay with me till the end because I will also share a free training that can help you go from $0 to $40,000 a year quickly. So let's get started. The first question is, what is an online proofreading job? An online proofreading job is all about fine-combing what has already been edited. That means as an online proofreader, you are responsible to eliminate any grammatical errors, typos, and punctuation errors from the content. Now, how is proofreading different from editing? Good you asked these questions. I'm actually pretty glad because a lot of people are confused when it comes to this. When it comes to the difference between proofreading and editing. Proofreading work is significantly different than editing. In simple terms, editing comes before any content is sent out for proofreading. Now, editing is more about structuring the content, changing the flow, and the choice of words, etc. While proofreading is restricted to errors, typos, grammar, and punctuations. Now, who uses proofreaders? A lot of businesses actually, including news agencies, bloggers, publishing houses, novelists, authors, universities, research institutes, etc. Now, what do you proofread? You can proofread ebooks, white papers, transcripts, academic papers, resumes, marketing materials, contracts, press releases, books, etc. Remember, these are proofreading niches and one that requires greater amount of attention to detail and knowledge like contracts or transcripts are really high paying. What is the average salary of a proofreader? One of the most important questions, right? According to ZipRecruiter, on average, you can make $55,000 a year as a proofreader. Now, what qualifications do you need to become an online proofreader? Good you asked these questions. None. You do not need any college degree or formal education to become a proofreader. However, you can pick up the free training that you are seeing on the screen right now. It is a 76-minute free workshop which walks you through the basics of becoming a successful proofreader and finding online proofreading jobs quickly. It is in the first link in the description below, so go check it out. Now let's talk about what skills do you need. You need to have strong command of English. We already established that. Love for reading because you are going to read a lot. You need to have attention to detail. You need to be detail oriented. You should have knowledge of proofreading marks, which you can gain as you go. Now, where to find these online proofreading jobs for beginners? The first one is proofreading services. It is a great place to begin searching for freelance proofreading jobs for beginners. You are required to take a 20-minute screening test before any work is assigned to you. Not only do you get flexible work hours, but you are also paid more than $16 to $46 depending upon the turnaround time, with the highest pay for the most urgent deadlines. Next is Upwork and Freelancer, which are great places to start off as a beginner and find online proofreading jobs. You can check out the video on how to use Freelancer to find these jobs. You can see this link on the screen right now. You can go check out that video. Upwork is similar to that, and I will be doing a quick video on that too. Till then, you can refer to the latest blog post that we have written on our blog on using Upwork. I will link it in the description box below. The next platform is Lionbridge. Now, this is one of the best places to find online proofreading jobs for beginners with no experience. The basic requirement is a high school diploma. Unfortunately, they're not having any open positions right now for proofreaders, but it is always worth your time to check it out regularly and see if they have any jobs. The next one is flex jobs. Flex jobs is all about flexible jobs from home, and they guarantee the legitimacy of these jobs. That means you do not have to worry or check whether or not it is a scam, which is a huge relief and a time saver too. However, flex jobs is not free, and you will have to spend on a membership, which is very affordable. If you are serious about working from home, you should consider investing in this platform. The links to all these platforms are in the description box below, so you can go and check them out. Comment below and let me know if you found this video useful. If you want to start working from home but have no idea how you should do it, you should check out my video on how to start working from home, where I discuss a step-by-step launch plan in detail. The link is on the screen right now, so click on it, check it out. Okay guys, this is it for today. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button below and find new videos each week on how to make money and live a location-independent life. See ya next week. Bye-bye.